Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. We're going to do a little more work today on the chess app. And we're talking about adding a move log. Yeah, let's just jump into it. It's going to be... Man, there's lots of things we need to do. We got the move log. We need to fix this to work properly. Something else we need to work on is when you click on a piece, you need to actually render it. Whoops, that piece disappeared forever, I guess. Like when you move a piece, while you're in the process of moving it, you should be able to see it somewhere. Yeah, anyway. But that can wait. Let's go ahead and add the move log. Honestly, I could release it like this. It'd be a bit confusing, but it's usable, right? So I think I should wait about that one. All right, we're going to work on the move log. It's going to be something we can probably use AI for. Let's add a new component. Boom. And there we go. Who knows what components we're going to have? Or what parameters? I don't think any, really. Okay, so now we need to track the moves. We need the game separated. Now let's look again at our list. Stretch goals. Yeah, move the game into a reducer. Man, I just had to look at a reducer at work today, and it was really painful. Like a reducer using Redux. I don't understand why someone would want their state like that. Like it's just so confusing. Like when you have all of your state management in right there in the file. Anyway, like I said last time, like having a reducer or wrapping around a third-party utility or a library that you wrote, like something outside of your application or outside of your UI app, that makes sense. But trying to build all the state management right there with your reducer, I think that's a big mistake. Yeah, it's just not meant for. It's just so hard to read. Like you need all your app, your simulation code to be with other simulation code where it belongs, and have all your. It just violates locality to have all your stuff stuffed away in a reducer where it's separate from all the places it's used, and it's divorced from anything else. It's just anyway. It's hard to explain without showing an example. Okay, so. Right then, this move piece needs to catch events. Anyway, we're going to do one thing at a time. At this point, we're just going to have this thing receive events, right, for now. I didn't see any bad thing about having events be right here, like this. Maybe I need a use event wrapper. I don't know, like events.on. Oh wait, let's import things. Okay. The problem here is it's what? Oh yeah. Return this. Return. There we go. Perfect. Events.on. Type. Piece. I need to have some event types somewhere. So let's do that. Where was I using events earlier? Yeah, let's just have a bunch of these. Export type events. Yeah. Event type, let's just call it that. Piece, oops. Move is the only one right now. Now what I would like is for MIT to respect my types, because that's going to make things a little bit easier. I'm going to add that on my to-do list. I don't want to do that right now. Let's not get sucked into it. This is going to be relatively easy to do. Yeah. Allow MIT to allow typing for the event tag. Yeah, so hopefully I'll remember what that means. Anyway, because there's no type checking here. Our argument for handler. Okay, data. Now, if data equals undefined, oops, return. Because this is, right, it's unknown. If type of data is not an object, object, return. All right, so at this point we know it's not null or undefined. Okay. Now then, we have our event that we're firing here. We have the piece, from index, and to index. Okay, so honestly, I feel like we need to go ahead and have a type for this. Yeah. Probably need a separate thing. I don't really need type. You know what? Type probably shouldn't be under components. It probably should be somewhere else. We're just going to continue on. Event types. Okay, we're going to move that in here. We aren't making use of it at the moment, but we will. Is piece move data. Oops. Unknown. Data is, wait, export type piece move data equals piece move event, maybe? Excuse me. Piece from index number to index, oops, to index number. Okay. Data is piece move event. And let's just return false. I see what's going wrong here. Const. There we go. Export. There. Okay. And give me a sec. All right. So we're basically duplicating the code we had before. If data is undefined or data is null, return false. Okay, I guess I spelled it correctly, but why is it not lining up? Oh, whatever. If type of data not equals object, return false, return true. There we go. If data dot piece, I'm not going to check if it's a, if type of data dot piece not equals string, return false. Okay, it doesn't exist on objects, I get that. There is a way to figure that out. First of all, okay, we have this as a type. Unfortunately, we don't have it as an enum anywhere. Okay, well, we're just going to leave that alone. Property piece does not exist on type object. We're not doing full type checking, I guess. I mean, I feel like if it's undefined, that's fine. I really am not getting that. Does that work? Probably going to have the same error. Okay. Let's ask AI. There might be something obvious I'm missing. Can't remember how to inline things. Control K. Okay, didn't work. Make this type check. Make the right checks to ensure data.piece is defined. Hopefully it figures that out. Oh, if piece in data. Okay, great. That's the syntax we need to use. Okay. And we're going to repeat that for... Oh, my phone wants something. Oh my goodness. Wow, we don't have much time at all. I thought we had more time than this. Okay, I guess I'll be back later this evening because we're just getting started here. And maybe I'll be able to stitch the streams together later or something. From index, and it needs to be a number. And then we have toIndex, which also needs to be a number. If it's not a number, we return false. Otherwise, we return true. To do, check values of piece, data.piece. Is there an easy way to do that? Let's just search for the word king here. We have a mapping here, which we could make use of if it were exported. Yeah, I guess I'll just check individually. We'll just take this list. Okay. Let's check piece last. And then I'm going to recopy that because I just blew it up. Const valid piece names equals substitute that. Oh, that doesn't work. With comma. Oh, wait, we need a space there with comma. We'll do it for all of them. Okay, I need to turn on global by default. I don't know how to do that. There we go. Valid piece names. Okay. If data.piece, and not in is hard to spell. Not, oh wait, in. Valid piece names. It's not in valid piece names. Return false. Sure. Now what's going on here? It should be... Oh, data is any. Why are we converting data to any? There we go. Yeah, data is any doesn't make any sense here. Because... Oh, wait a minute. Okay, well, we made a mistake here. And we caught it. Yeah, converting data to any doesn't make sense because right here we've already resolved the type a little bit more. We can get that. That's why this, yeah. Anyway, it's like it found two different ways to get over the issue. But now by this point we know data is a record of from index and to index and piece. I don't know why at this point these things are unknown, though. We should know their numbers at this point. But anyway, we did all the right checks, so we're good to go on that. So then on our move log, this is going to finish us up for now. If is piece move data, we should rename that in the source. Is piece move event. Okay, is piece move event? Oh, good, it did that automatically there. If data is piece move event, if it's not, oops, return. Okay, now then, Yeah, we're gonna do more stuff here. All right, that's all I have time for. I'm sorry, folks. I gotta go. Catch you next.